Hi everyone, in this video I'll explain how to use OR function in Excel. To demonstrate this, I have the marks obtained by 10 students in maths, physics, chemistry. OR function is also a Boolean function which takes Boolean values and returns a Boolean value. Boolean value means true or false. Here I have written the syntax of OR function. OR C3 greater than or equal to 35, comma D3 greater than or equal to 35 or E3 greater than or equal to 35. So I have put three conditions inside this function. So you can have number of statements, number of conditional statements. Each will return true or false values. If any of the condition is true, OR will return a value true. If all the three condition fails, then it will return false value. So any one of this condition is true or two is true or all the three are true, it will return true value. At least one condition should be true to get the output as true. So I'm taking three conditions here. C3 is marks of first student in maths. So that is C3. C3 greater than or equal to 35. And D3 is the physics marks for the same student. D3 greater than or equal to 35 and E3 greater than or equal to 35 chemistry marks. Any one of the marks is greater than or equal to 35, our function will return true. So here all the three are greater than 35, so it will give a true. It will return true for the OR function. So I'll type here, I'll copy this formula, and here to type a formula you should type equal to, then formula I'll paste. So that is equal to or C3 greater than 35, C3 is this cell, and D3 greater than 35 greater than or equal to, and E3 greater than or equal to 35. Any one of these greater than or equal to 35, it will return true. So in this case, all the three are greater than 35, so it has to return true. Now I'll apply that formula to the entire column by double clicking on the fill handle. So I got most of the cases it's true. So that is any one of the subjects students have scored more than 35. So but only one student could not score more than 35 or more than 35 in any of the subjects. So it has become false. So condition is not met. Or conditions checks whether any one of that is greater than or equal to 35. So this is how you use the OR function, but OR function as such is not going to be very useful because it is only returning the result as true or false. So you have to use OR function along with another function like if function. Here I am going to use if the same statement I'll put, same condition I'll put here. If this condition is true, that is if OR function returns a value true, then we can display as Q, that is Q, I'll put it for qualified. So any one of the marks are greater than 35, so I'll put it as qualified, otherwise the candidate is disqualified. Maybe like for admitting to some program to check whether the student is capable or not. Any one of the subjects you should score 35 or more. If that is the case, if we could score any one of the subjects 35 or more, then he can be considered as qualified, otherwise disqualified. So OR function, if it is true, then you will get a message qualified. If it is false, you will get disqualified. So I have to use this OR function within if function to get a meaningful result like this. So I'll copy this formula here, from here and equal to. So when you type the formula, you have to type equal to. I'll paste it. So the formula which I have written is if or these three conditions I am putting. If that is satisfied, it will display as qualified, otherwise disqualified. In this case, all the three are greater than 35, so the student is qualified for that. Now I'll apply this formula to the entire column. So now only one student get disqualified because all the three subjects he has got less than 35. So other students, they manage to qualify because they are having 35 or above in at least in one of the subjects. So this is how you use the OR function. So OR function will have number of arguments. All arguments will be in the form of a condition, comparative statement, whether checking some condition, and if any one of the condition is true, then OR will return a value true. And this OR function can be used within another function like if function to get some meaningful output. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.